Shopping for a screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Good news. There's only one panel size to match, so this is the easy one. Let's find the best value, privacy, and premium picks. The Pro Max has a 9-inch display, the largest in the lineup, and every pick here is cut for it. The plain 17 and 17 Pro use a smaller 3-inch pane, so a Pro protector leaves the Pro Max misaligned. Just match the title. One thing to know first, Ceramic Shield 2 already resists scratches, so a plain glass protector is mainly drop insurance, and any standard pane cancels the screen's anti-reflective coating. Want the glare gone? Choose an AR-coated or matte protector instead. Best value, the Spigen Glas.tR EZ Fit 2-pack. Its auto-align tray drops the glass on square with no bubbles, and the 9H glass shrugs off keys and grit. The spare pane means a botched first try on the big panel costs nothing. The lowest stress pick, best privacy, the UNBREAKcable 28-degree glass. The micro louver filter blacks out the screen for a seatmate while staying clear head-on, the angle that matters on a commute. And it guards your own screen only, never anyone else's without consent. Best premium, the Whitestone Dome. A liquid adhesive flows under the glass and cures under a UV lamp, bonding edge to edge across the curved 9-inch corners. It is the cleanest, gap-free install, slower to apply and pricier, but it ships with a lifetime warranty. So which one? Easiest install for most people, the Spigen Glas.tR EZ Fit. Read private things in public, the UNBREAKcable privacy glass. The cleanest edge-to-edge bond, the Whitestone Dome, then apply in a steamy bathroom and let the tray align it. Whichever you pick, it is cut for the 9-inch Pro Max, so there is no fitment guesswork. The full guide, with every tested pick and the exact specs, is waiting at phone.tips. Scan the code, and happy protecting.